Okay, so on to the next question. I'll just clear the board. So this question is asking us which number line represents the solution set for the inequality as shown on the screen. So the inequality we're looking at is 3, 8 minus 4x is less than 6 times x minus 5. So, my screen is not showing. Let me just refresh this. Just give me a second here. Just having some internet difficulties. All right, let me just put in the link and then we'll get back on track. So okay. Okay, so back to the question. So the question is asking us for the following inequality. So the first thing we have to do here is to simplify it into its simplest form. So we would want to expand out each bracket. So 3 times 8 will be, so we have, 1 second, 3 times 8 is 24, and then we have 3 times -4, so minus 12x is less than 6 times x, which is just 6x, and then 6 times -5, which is -30. And then we have to put all the x variables on one side and put the rest of the variables on the other side. So just the constants. So if we take 30 and we add 30 to both sides, we would get 54 on this side. And then we can take the -12x and add it to both sides. So here I'll do it in 2 steps. So it will be like 12x greater than 6x. So now we've taken the 30, add 30 to both sides. Now we have 54 minus 12x less than 6x. Then we do 54. We add positive 12x to both sides is greater than 18x. And then our final step will be to divide 54 divided by 18, which would give us 3. So we divide both sides by 18, and then we get the final answer is 3 is less than x. So when we're drawing this out on a line plot, it would look something like this. So let's say this was 0, and then we have 1, 2, 3. So since it's a greater than value, not greater than and equal to, so we have 3, we do a circle, and then it goes all the way to positive infinity. If it was 3 is less than or equal to x, then we make a dot here. But that's not the scenario, so it will be just an open circle. So looking at the solution, provides the same outline, and the number line, which represents the solution set for a given inequality, starts with 3, but it's greater than 3, so we had the same thing, and it goes away till positive infinity. So great job. The solution is correct.